Meet the Martinez family. Thomas and Patricia lived in their family home for 15 years. They have enjoyed homeownership, and their pride in ownership has always been evident in the many updates they have made over the years to their Arizona home. One day at their new home, a pipe in the dishwasher ruptured and their floors were covered in water, and the damage was widespread throughout the house. Luckily, Thomas filed a claim, and before they knew it, their homeowner's insurance company had contractors repair the damage, and the dishwasher was replaced so that it should not leak again. A few months later, a nail that hung a picture caused a pinhole leak, their floors were covered in water, and the damage was even worse, with significant drywall damage. Patricia immediately filed a claim, and their homeowner's insurance company had contractors repair the damage, and the pipe was replaced so that it would not leak again. Then, there was a new problem. The Martinez family realized the recent scorching heatwave cracked their clay tile roof, which then allowed rain to leak in the newly formed cracks. After replacing the roof, the Martinez family felt satisfied that they had done everything they could to prevent further damage and felt relief that life could go back to normal. One afternoon, Patricia opened mail from her mortgage company and shockingly found a notice that they had no insurance. Their prior insurance agent never called to let them know, so now with the lapse and claims, the fear of being uninsurable was debilitating. Their insurance company was refusing to renew their policy, and they were having no luck finding new coverage. After speaking with their agent, it did not matter to their carrier that the claims were completely out of their control and fully remedied. Their agent advised that after exhausting all of his resources, he told the Martinez family that he was out of options to insure their home. With fear of the future, they were more stressed out now than they were during the claims. They felt that they might not be able to continue to own a home now that they were considered high risk. They searched online for homeowners insurance and were declined repeatedly. They were working against a system with wanted perfect risks, and not their more complicated situation. They felt hopeless, but it is a big country, and they knew they could not be alone. Claims happen to everyone, and since they knew that they couldn't be the only ones having this problem, and surely fairness existed, with the right agent approach, it only made sense that there must be a service for matching high-risk homeowners with experienced agents that deeply understand how to handle high-risk homeowners insurance and have the resources to do so. That's when they found HomeinsuranceAlternatives.com, and they were paired up with an agent that could work one-on-one with an underwriter to insure their home. They were thankful that a human touch was still possible in a world seemingly run by computers. A couple days later, they had a new policy with excellent coverage, and the stress was finally behind them. The Martinez family learned that the crucial truth is that the solution wasn't submitting quote requests with many agents, it was about finding the right agent. Take it from the Martinez family. Save yourself the stress and get your solution using HomeinsuranceAlternatives.com to find a specialist today.